Ken Ashigbey. The oya no. He was the only person na or exhibit at the end of friend boldness and toughness.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because baby anu ojina no nyese ojina abonten no toto abo no abegina ni mu ho no abekana no atum se mo ya ade pa mo yire mo ho mo ya ade na owia osi da bi indicators na mo de be kire ye no presentation na mo de be kire ye no ede ebiewa ede na epesi ehu de epesi ehu ni se yensuo na ni ate ana amabu ase ensuo na ni bete ekun ya wo mo koi de ensuo na ni bete yen ye wo ahia no se ensuo na ni bete na Stan Dogbe say Ken Ashigbey ye o kun ani abre kun nti wo ye de wo ye MPP ni say ya na na no mo tama mu pam atade de hye yen enti galamsey kon no enche yembesa pam atade foforo sema sa pam mo start pam ntade hye nkrofo de a sema start pam ntade e de hye nkrofo se aban koso anyire no ho no onkoko ekon no onko no yie se de be ye nsu ani bete na mo pam ntade de ne ntade no mo beberegu because I am telling you nsuo na say no CPP ni nkosa ne de nom no de ye clean MPP ni nkosa ne de nom ye clean NDC nkosa ne de nom ye nyina Ghana fo nyina no those within that area in fact they dangerous crane say report eba ne research omu ye nyina no enyo omo te ho nko a enyo omo ben nsuo no nko a na esofa wo enra minya watermelon bi ana juice bi amenom menoma fedu ba mi hwedi nam say ade de na emum e kira asem you see say wudidi kra na wo yem hyehyew Ibrahim na yem hyehyew
last week ya nua baako a wofia kwame bafo ajekum ekoye story e wo konongo unse EPA research bi the report by say normal na akokọ nsase nim no affect the quality of nnuane a yetodi enje say our traders no nsusu because report ne by na ama adeton so no akofom amanfo suro but o say busa won say wan ton so ade be na obedi na de wo be kumase abeto no e de na kire say eno no enye kono because enye kumase aya na edua ye di free amansie konongo ayi jacobu mu ne atwumampo nua na ayi o na free by o hanzo na galamsey yi say John e koso enti na enye won wa say these days say John obi etwo on show any signs of say oyare no symptoms nothing afi enumra na o say say John mukura metie me ya ma me nkoda kakra in the next 30 minutes wana ubeti apan wo nnuane na ekọ system no yemu no yare nko a even eduro na wo se wo be ye bibiduro na wo se wo ko tete aban no ano eno no kra no so am polluted enti say and when we talk about galamsey na ebi mu fi say na politics and politics
now Stan Dogbe you benefited from Ken Ashigbey's campaign against illegal mining.
Sergio much say 2024
you benefited
election.
You are here today because of and there may be pressure groups near here. That is why you are here.
Smart performance 2024 election. O de ni ade mienu na ede be measure galamsey number 1 economy na economy no so the way anoma enkoyi enti abanya wa basui you benefited from the advocate of the likes of Ken Ashigbey because consistently they fought against illegal mining. You benefited from the action of the media consistently. They spoke against illegal mining. You benefited. Obia or Kasa consistently illegal mining. This party benefited because it can't be the Mamubaso. So if someone is
Stan Dogbe, you are here because of that.
So MPP Nikra with or a party card bearing member of the party. Now you tune a party a free because they couldn't handle the fight against galamsey war. Untimin country say we need right to speak about it now. Enti na ye tu omu free so aye de wo aba so say be ye adwuma na mai. Na say John 10 months in office. Now we are not seeing anything concrete. Now obi busa omanpeni mu akohia civil society. Say ekwan ya ebetimi afa so a fight galamsey. Na say John obi aba na oka na onu kura ka say around the Simpa township I way takwa to takrade road galamsey bi ekoso e wo kwan so enipa ni busa say
real line that video we have that video real line is omu didia by real line.
MC not aware of this. President Mahama current MCs on na do omo etoto. And if the MC is failing to act, no catch the JM say, or no acting by removing the MC and now forcing the MC to work. Then you come and write under the post say, Sir John, was it in your government? If your government in the 8 years of your colored fight, just say
colored fires and day
and say Debio, I just don't understand it. And he said, "Nippon Kran make no." So a card bearing member of the party MPP. Na Akoma still nano. Ye uso and to a new kwan so bekasana. And way a nipa president nankasa kushia. Say ye be finding lasting solution to this galamsey menace. Now you sit down as a deputy unye serial caller, deputy chief of staff.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Now you throw these tantrums. And now you refi say to me no
ni refi oda onim say oye position as deputy.
They make me see you refi say power is transient. Ebeba be free him.
I want the mobile no refi mum.
Em say unya power na. It comes with some level of arrogance. Because Stan Dogbe we bibi e born abaso eba event the way we set up and share on the sign and na make us say positive say ya can
se mo be kaya Stan Dogbe ya na kofa assembly ono na kofa assembly mampani Mahama time the first time okay Stan Dogbe ne kobo nsentwoni e bi recorder totwene ya ho assemba ya ma media ono Stan Dogbe no Ibrahim Stan Dogbe no enne ahu en yen kan kire wo mo ade na ye friend arrogance no se munimu a there are a lot of people omo ye adwuma ba mo na mo be mampani sei no mo kra no mo kra mo a mo be mampani sa no mo a mo be no a and anopel sorry Stan Dogbe wako Jubilee House meeting bi na Monday meetings e koso nyina mo ka ho bi mo na wose mo kra na wose mo kasa afiri mo no mu ba no e shem kran
e was say my hope
what you say na wo de nka obi a won de so anopai wo de MC bi a won say nya anopai o sorry bi a afi na wo call office ni ade ba mo de mo ben mampani me say na anopai meetings e koso nyina mo ka ho bi mo nyina mo ka ho se mo wie na mo betoto mu saa what is that?
What did that communicator and you say also be it me can say onim communication ni so enti ebi o wa de wa person put it together and thoughts no but what they are communicator. It's quite unfortunate and you see some of these things about so maka eko and una no kra no by now I also will be apologizing because Sir John say we comment be to Facebook e ade a nipa dodo na no they support their work and you know say nipa no so condemn their work and you know and you can be able to draw the line between the oil constructive criticism and there may be already watching the political goggles and all there. You can look at the names, no so way there. And
someone who fought. Me see, it said here.
Since 2017,
it said here. Aben waba na fix the country for. Now no the year demonstration protest almost submitted petition. Almost submitted petition. Now say moye NPP for.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Meanwhile, Nipano consistently they suffered under an administration. In Tebi Akra do ba no kra wanya no fo. Wo de omunya onya ntisi wo so. Wanya no fo. So what do? You have benefited from on the fight.
According to Sir John.
Ibrahim, Naimos for ne be adwuma say ne. They be hwe omo.